sword dance. Powerful, elegant, beautiful, fierce. For me, it is always a dance of the spirit, the story of my journey into the unknown, a record of the battles I wage, not against others, but within myself. Today we'll be learning a choreography in my signature style called tejedora, which is Spanish for weaver. This dance incorporates elements of Eastern dance with martial arts and includes many of my favorite tricks with the sword. The song we'll be using today is Circle from the album Asas by Solis, which uses some different time signatures than the more familiar 8s and 4s. These are 5s, 6s, and 7s. If you have any injuries or limitations which hinder full execution of these movements, please feel free to make your own adjustments where needed, because some of them can be strenuous.